Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called check XSS. So what is this check XSS? So it will check and detect the XSS vulnerabilities in any one of the web applications. So any type of web applications. So what are the main features we can get here? So it supports for URL encoding bypass, supports for Unicode encoding of HTML tag attribute value to bypass, supports a HTML encoding to bypass the HTML attribute value, supports for flexible replacement to bypass, and case also bypass. Now we would like to open the terminal. Now just type as here git clone and let's paste this repository. So once we have cloned this one, now we would like to go for as XSS Map. We just type plus, we just type here as Python. So first we would like to install the requirements with 3 install once up requirements.txt. So where we are going to install the requirements of now once we have installed the requirements, now just type here as Python 3 XSSmap.python. The argument is error, so just type minus minus help. So where we got it here, but uh, the syntax warning is with the literal you mean equals, so it's okay, no worries. So we need to test a targeted URL. Then I try to get a targeted URL from the one hub. Then we would like to test here. So let me go back here. Like I would like to go to here. Where is this categories? Then poster. So I try to get this. Then let me test here. Just type here help. Now you just need to put as minus u for the URL. Then if you want to specify a parameter also you can specify, that's up to you. Then what else you need to specify here? You want to specify as a user agent, that's also fine. So I want to specify as here as a data minus data as I would like to specify as a uh, return URL equal to 1. Let me try here with the 1. Then parameter as return URL. So that's it. Let's try here. Now we would like to look here. So the might not be in a dynamic. So where we are getting here the testing parameter return URL is dynamic, might not be in a dynamic. So but we are not getting a legitimate thing. So let me I just put as let me I would like to put as a return without return URL. Then I just put as artist equal to 1 artist. Let's see here what the results we can get here. So here we not get any useful thing. So if this is not come, so I just type here. Now I just utilize here. Once you go back here, well, then I try to utilize a cookie that's better without anything. So I don't like to put in data. Let you input as a cookie equal to. Now let you can get this a cookie. So click on inspect. Then you just come to a console. Where's this? Just type here as document dot cookie. Why it's not yet? So it's not yet. Once you go for a storage, cookies, nothing. So I try to go for as a login. Then let me try to log in here as test, then a test, try here. Now let me try here. So where I have got this cookie, that's better. So just copy the message. Then I try to paste it here, this message. Now we would like to try here. What else we can get it? Now you can see here, start a testing parameter with a cat uh, is dynamic. There are two parameters detected. One is dynamic parameter, cat is get. Now we are identifying here. So insertion will be success. iframe. What else you want to insert here? All the payloads you can get it. So you need to get with the right parameter for this XSS. So you can look here. So it may also supports a post and get request method and supports a parameter injection detection in cookies and refers a user agent fields for like example like a test return URL. So first I try with the return URL, that's not work out. Then again I try with the test, then it's work out. In the post data also it work out. Then that's it. So where you can identify all these XSS map or to identify like DOM base, reflected and stored XSS, all those things here. You can look here how many things we are getting here. So easy way to identify all here. But we need to try with a cookie only. Cookie is best one. If you go with a post data, otherwise request data, it's not gonna be worked out. That's it. So where with the parameter cat is that is identified is unclosed. That is done successfully. So where we have identified all those things here with XSS Map, you can look here, everything clear. So we have identified here. So you try it in your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.